Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make prunes at home. First, choose ripe, sweet plums like Italian or French varieties for the best results. Wash them well and carefully remove the pits. This initial preparation is crucial for even drying. Next, get your equipment ready, whether it's a food dehydrator or your kitchen oven, as we'll be using a low-heat method to transform these fresh fruits into delicious prunes. If you're using a dehydrator, arrange your pitted plum halves in a single layer on the trays, ensuring good air circulation. Set the temperature to around 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. The drying process will take anywhere from 18 to 36 hours. Check them periodically. You want them leathery and pliable, not brittle, for perfect homemade prunes. For oven drying, place the pitted plum halves cut side up on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Set your oven to its lowest possible temperature, usually around 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. It's important to prop the oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon to allow moisture to escape. This process can take 8 to 12 hours, so remember to turn the plums every few hours for even drying. Once your prunes are perfectly dried, let them cool completely to room temperature. This step is essential before storage. Then transfer them into clean, airtight containers. You can store your homemade prunes in a cool, dark pantry or even the refrigerator for up to 6 months. They make a fantastic, healthy snack or a wonderful addition to your favorite baked goods and savory dishes. Enjoy your delicious efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.